Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Melt Your Cheese Bites. Through this format, we'll share with you shorter, more crisper versions of our long form videos. Hope you enjoy them.
Now let's talk about the whys. Why you need to take up running right now. Point number one, your body needs that bit of workout. You may say you are thin, but that is just another excuse. Thin people who do not work out, do not walk, do not run are equally unhealthy and unfit. So basically your body is built like a run machine. Your body has evolved through centuries and centuries and ages of hard work, hunting of prey, etc. To go for that ultimate run. So if you see yourself in the mirror, you'll find all the elements your body needs for that perfect run. So just go out and do it. Now coming to point number two. If you want to lose that flab, if you want to get into shape, then running is the most effective exercise for you right now. So if you compare walking to running burns approximately 4 times more calories as compared to walking in an hour. So for example, if you're running 5 kilometers in approximately 30 minutes, you're going to burn close to 250 calories. That's a lot. Now coming to point number 3. So once you start running, once you start going out for those regular runs, you'll see a big change in your mood. You'll start feeling happier. The reason is that your body releases happy hormones or endorphins once you complete a run. Talking about other health benefits, running is just great for your heart and your bones. It also protects you against breast and colon cancer. Now coming to point number 4. So running also helps in improving your sleep. Now as per research, running reduces the stress levels and also tires you out. In the process, running helps you in sleeping better and longer. Point number 5. Running helps you in treating depression. Now running may not be a substitute for a professional, but as per research, regular running reduces day-to-day stress and also helps those depression patients in coming out of depression and help them live longer lives. And finally coming to point number 6. You've heard a lot of people talk about the fact that running is bad for your knees. On the contrary, research shows that running helps in increasing the bone mass. At the same time, it also slows down the age-related bone loss. So you don't need to be a marathon runner to reap the benefits of running. Only 50 minutes of running a week, just 50 minutes, is very good. It's amazing for your body. You will reap all the benefits which I just talked about in the video, all the 6 benefits, and apart from that, you will also come over all the bad elements in your life and all the diseases with maybe diabetes, arthritis, high cholesterol, cancer, depression, anxiety and whatnot. So guys, it's time you wear your shoes and go out for the run. It's time to get up, get going.